Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize wire transfers to Kraken securely, complete guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing wire transfers to Kraken securely, first, log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the Funding tab on the main dashboard. Select Deposit from the drop-down menu. Choose Wire Transfer as your deposit method. Next, you will see the instructions for wire transfers. Take note of the bank details provided, including the account name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that the currency matches the deposit type you want to use. Before proceeding, confirm that your bank allows international wire transfers, especially if you are using a non-local currency. In your bank's online portal, initiate a new wire transfer. Enter the required bank details from your Kraken account. Double-check all the information for accuracy before you submit. Remember to include any reference code provided by Kraken to ensure your funds are credited correctly. Specify the amount you wish to transfer, ensuring it abides by Kraken's minimum deposit limits. After submitting the wire transfer, keep the transaction receipt for your records. Allow some time for the transfer to process. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once the funds are credited to your Kraken account, you will receive a notification via email. Always monitor your account balance to verify that the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, contact Kraken's support team for assistance. By following these steps, you can authorize wire transfers to Kraken securely and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.